Total package.
Welcome back to the sights and sounds of one of our local marching bands that's been marching in the St. Patrick's Day Parade for quite a while. This is the Dover Plains High School Band. Small town right outside of Poughkeepsie, New York. They're known as the Tuxedo Band. I wonder why.
I wonder. And they're almost half of the school in the band is marching today, 219 people. They march only 2 weeks every year.
Let's take a listen. What a great job from the Dover Plains High School Band. They're a concert band.
And what
That
a great,
marches.
yes, and what a great job for the director, Mr. Sowell.